Okay, this is a tutorial on how to find fixer-upper properties on Airdeed homes. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to come to the income properties and fixer-upper homes. These are custom algorithms that we created to help identify fixer-upper homes. It does catch homes that also have been renovated. So there's always that double check, but this is a page where you can just search here, or if you want to go to the map view, which is what I like to do, you'll get our nationwide map view here. And then you can look on the left-hand side scroll. You can also do tile mode here. And before I get into another way to do it, I'm just going to scroll through here, and you'll see, fixer-upper homes here. And one way you can check is to verify that you have some profit here, is you can go to our recently sold. What's going to happen here is we're running a query to get all the fixer-upper area homes in the area. Now, this is actually not the fixer-upper, sorry, all the recent homes sold in the area. That's not surprising that it came back that way because it's a 53-acre property, so it's not much around there at all. But let's go to this Miami one and show you this one here. So we'll go recently sold. Let's see. It pulled up the old one, and that's because we're still on this map here. So all you got to do is just switch to a different one and then switch back, and it will reload. Once it reloads, you'll see this map here. We also have this map for long-term rental stats and short-term rental stats, but those are for premium and light members only. But what you can see here is you'll get a list of, a map of properties and what they were sold for. This is the API call query that we run is to get the beds and bath and the property type that the property is inputted on the MLS. So if the realtor inputs it improperly, like says apartment, but it's a single family, this is going to be incorrect data. But as you can see, you can look around and you can zoom in to where, say, the home is, the closest area, and you can start finding properties that sold. And then you can make an analysis whether it is going to make you money or not. The other way is to find fixer-upper properties is through the normal search. And this is only if you are a light member or a premium member, because what you're going to rely on here is our short-term and long-term rental estimates. And the reason that we're going to rely on these is because this will help us identify properties that have issues. Because if the rental rates are showing estimates extremely high, most likely it's going to be that the property is extremely undervalued, and that's normally due to it being neglected. So an example is here. Clearly, this property needs a lot of fixes, and was extremely damaged. So what you want to do is, if you have that light membership, you want to play around and see what you like the best, whether it's LTR or STR. STR is short-term rental. LTR is long-term rental estimates. Different people like to use different ones. Short-term is pretty good to help identify. I believe short-term is better to identify fixer-upper properties than long-term rental is. But if you are a light member, you can play around with that to see which one helps you identify the long-term the fixer-upper potential. So thank you. That's our fixer-upper tutorial, and see you next time.